Hello everyone, welcome back to channel. So hope you are good and your time is also running good. Why we are talking about time? Yes, today we'll discuss about the date and time command in Linux. Whenever we type date, we are getting the date Monday, May 29 and it's 3:32:46 IST 2023. But from where it is speaking? So hello, welcome back to channel. Today we will be talking about date command in Linux and how to master on it. The date command is a powerful tool that allow you to display and set the system date and time, and this is very useful because whenever you check the logs there is a date. Okay, according to date you will be able to filter, and according to time you have to trace it. If date and time is not correct on your system, you will not able to find the perfect logs. So as before RHEL 7 we are having just a date command, but when they introduced systemctl we got time date ctl. If you use time date ctl you will get this thing: local time, universal time, RCT, time zone. Okay, NTP is not enabled, it is not synchronized. We'll talk about NTP later. Today we'll be focusing on time date ctl command. So to display the current date, time date ctl, and if we want to change, so we have to use time date ctl, and then we have to set -time, and according to your clock we can say is 3, I will say 06:33:36. Okay, so it is in hour, minute and second. Now we'll see it's got changed from 3 to it became 6. So if you want to change the time, we know how to do. Now we'll change the date. Time date ctl set-time date will give 2023 YY and a month 05 and the date will put 30. Okay, 05:30. Boom, done. Now we'll use time date ctl. So date got changed. This is how you can change the date and time. Okay, this we are talking about date and time. What about time zone? It's showing time zone Asia, Kolkata, IST. So first we should know what are the time zone available in my system. So time date ctl list-time zones. So this many time zones we are having. See, so if I want to set some time zone, like I will set grep India, grep. Okay, in India we are having this many, and if you see time date ctl is showing Asia, Kolkata. Okay, what we'll do, time date ctl set-time zone. Perfect, and we'll keep the time zone, but this is having, and copy and paste. Now we'll see time date ctl. See, it got changed. Indiana Mahe, and time zone is SCT. Now again we'll list and we'll grab A-I ASIA Asia. Okay, so these many things are available in Asia. We'll go for Asia, Kolkata again. Time date ctl set time zone Kolkata, time date ctl. Get back to it. Okay, so this is how you can set using time date ctl. But what if you are running a RHEL 6 where time date ctl command is not there? Then you have to use date command. Okay, according to date command, my current time is May 30, 02:11, means it's midnight and 2 minutes has passed. See, it's running. Now, if I want to set the time with using date command, date-set, then it's mid-hour, I will say 2 o'clock, 2 minutes and 2 seconds. Okay. Oh, I have used triple, it should be double. Date, able to see, it has changed. Perfect. Now, if I want to change the, it's showing IST, I want to set to F1 UTC. It's got change. Now, if I want to set date, okay, F1 press set, And what is the date? Yes, same YYYY 2023 -05 -30. Okay, it was 29, now it's 30. So using this, you can set the date and time. But if you want to set all the things in a one single command, set and then double quotes, then first we'll start with 2023 and 05 31. Okay, and we'll say 000000 double quote close. See, it's working in this manner. Perfect. So that's how it will work. Now, after this, we are having one more clock that is called hardware clock, HWCLOC clock. So it is on your motherboard. One small battery is there, okay, that is containing the system time and date. So hardware clock is this. Now, if you see, there is a difference between hardware clock and the system clock. System clock is May 31 and hardware clock is May 30. So if I want to sync my hardware clock with the system clock, so how to sync? HW hardware clock -- sync to hardware, system to hardware, okay, SIS to hardware. SC, sorry. Now, if you see date command, both got sync. So system to hardware got changed. Whatever was in system is got to hardware. Okay. Now I will change command again. Okay, we'll make it 30. Okay. So now my system time is 30 and hardware clock is 31st. Now earlier we have sync system to hardware clock. Now hardware clock FN hardware to system. So date. So whatever was in hardware, it got updated in a system. So that's how you can switch between software and hardware clock when it is useful. So if your hardware clock is working fine, your system is not getting synced properly, so you can run hardware clock system to hardware. So whatever system time is there, that will get synced to hardware, or vice versa. You can use hardware clock -- hardware to system. Perfect. But can I make changes to hardware clock? Yes, of course. Hardware clock sync -set -date, and the format is date. Date will say 29. Okay. Month is May. Year is 2023. And time I can say 21/17. Let's see. HW clock. Date. See, it got changed. My hardware clock is showing 29 May 2023 and is 9:17:04 PM. Okay. So setting the hardware clock syntax is a bit different. It is DD MMM YYYY HHSS. So date, month, year, hours and minutes. So this is how you can change the hardware clock. Now my hardware clock is having 29 date, which is not correct, and system is also having 30 date, which is also not correct. So first we'll set date, set 2023. Okay, month is 05, date is 30. Oh, sorry, code is not required. Okay, so my system time is got correct. So whenever we are setting a date and we are not passing a time, it will take default 00 hours. Just now day is starting. Okay, now we'll sync hardware clock system to hardware. So now my hardware clock should be 30 and this is also 30. So that's how you can sync your system clock and hardware clock. This is very useful when you are running a database or some other things. Hope this is adding information to your knowledge, because whenever you run uptime or anything command, this thing is getting calculated with this command only. Date. So before RHL7, we are having the date command. Oh, sorry, now we are having timedatectl. So using this, we can change the time zone, we can change the date, anything we can do. Hope you like this video. It's adding value to your knowledge. So please Like, share and subscribe. Keep learning. See you in next video. Till then, bye bye.